It was such an amazing experience. Join me in this video as I show you how I decorated this cake. First step, level the cake by cutting the dome off. Then, cut each cake in half. Start assembling the cake by putting some buttercream on the cake board or stand. I made Swiss meringue buttercream and I used it to form a wall on each layer. Then I spread strawberry jam in the center and cover it with a small amount of buttercream. Repeat this for every layer. I then decided to crumb coat the entire cake to seal in the crumbs before I added my final layer of buttercream. Remember to chill the cake and let the buttercream set between the crumb coat and the final coat. Use a scraper to make your cake smooth and then chill the cake again. Then I continued by placing my ready-made lace on the cake. It's super easy to apply. I topped the cake with some fresh cream, but you can also use meringue and use a kitchen torch to create gorgeous art. I placed my Isomalt cake topper on top of this and painted it with gold metallic dust and confectioner's glaze from crystal candy. Last step. I picked some fresh flowers out of my garden, bougainvillea flowers, and placed them all around and on top of my cake for decoration. That's it! Done! So easy! Thank you for watching this tutorial with me. I hope that your cakes come out just as beautiful as this one did.